a mission that was. Holy cow. Absolutely thundering and raining like crazy outside right now. Good morning, guys. I'm being really quiet because there's something right outside the window. I don't know what it is, but some kind of animal. I'm gonna show you guys right now. It's right there. It looks to be some kind of bear grazing in the woods. I don't know what he's doing, but I don't know if he's friendly or not. Let's say something, see if he goes away. Hey. Hey there. He's coming at me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. This is the last thing I ever see. Ah, he's coming in. What is up, guys? So today we just packed up camp here and I'm already starting to head out the road. Just remembered I had to do an intro. And today we are going on Beartooth Pass. I know nothing pretty much about it. It goes from Red Lodge, Montana into Cody, Wyoming. So should be a good day. Should have fun. Let's get to it. It's a nice drive out of here. And then I'll talk to you guys again when we get to the start of the pass. Okay, we are now here at the start of Beartooth Pass, and it's a highway, it's all paved, but I think we are going to be able to do some off-roading a little bit later. I kind of mapped my way around to Cody, Wyoming, so this highway goes to Yellowstone, but I think if we're lucky, the way where we turn off, I think it's going to be dirt and with good views and good night. So let's see what this Beartooth highway is all about. Maybe find some bear teeth on the side of the roads. Or maybe just a bear tooth, I don't know. See if we can find one. Got a little bit of traffic, so Jeep's parked right there. Lake is just right here. We're gonna quick walk down there. Hopefully traffic doesn't start moving by the time we're down here. Sitting here snacking, and they're letting the other side go now, so as soon as we get going, let's get on the road. Get off. Jeep with no emergency brake on a very steep downhill slope things. I got something to show you guys. Come on, follow me. Come on, it's just right up here. Not that far, come on. Alright, we are out here at a spot at a camp, and I've been out here for probably like an hour already. It's I don't know, probably 4 or 5. I ate lunch late, so I'm probably gonna eat dinner later. But it's looking kind of like looking like it's gonna rain, so maybe it does, maybe it won't. But I'm out in this big wide open field with nothing else really around, so it'd be kind of nice if it doesn't thunderstorm. But yeah, we're staying here tonight. Tomorrow we're heading into Cody, Wyoming. So I'm gonna end this one. Well, I'll probably talk to you guys in the morning, but I'm gonna hang out rest of the night. I'm kind of tired. Driving all day, seeing so much cool stuff really wears out your eyes. So see you guys in the morning. What's up, guys? It is about, I think, 11 o'clock right now. And I don't know if you saw that flash, but I moved inside of the Jeep. It is absolutely windy. It is absolutely thundering and raining like crazy outside right now. Did you hear that? And it's shaking the tent all to heck. And the big thing I'm concerned about is the thunder right now. I'm out in this middle of the open field. Nothing around. And then sleeping on the tallest point wasn't a good idea, so I figured I'd just move into the Jeep tonight. Hopefully lightning doesn't strike very close to us. Yeah. It's safe to say it's gonna be a long night. Brody's even scared. So we're gonna try to cuddle up in here in the Jeep and try to get some sleep, so keep you guys updated. Alright, good morning. We are alive. Did not get struck by lightning. And it's about 8:30. I've been laying in bed now for about maybe an hour and trying to wait for this rain to stop. It's been raining all night, windy and thundering, but it doesn't look like it's gonna let up anytime soon. So I'm thinking I really don't want to stay in the Jeep all day. I might go out there, pack up as fast as I can, and try to get out of here. It is, if you can hear, it's windy as heck outside, so it's rainy. So I will have to pack up the tent when it's all wet. But I mean, I think I can get somewhere where It'll dry out soon. I have another spot in mind where I want to go already. It's 35 miles away, and it should be in the pines, so it won't be as windy, man, hopefully. Right here, I think this is probably the worst spot I could be at right now because of how wide open it is. I didn't know it was going to be like this, so. But I think I might go out there and try to pack up, I don't know. I'm going to wait a little longer, see if it stops, but it really doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon. And Brody's getting antsy already, he wants to get out. What a mission that was. Holy cow. Even Brody didn't even want to go outside. He just laid in the back of the Jeep. I had the window open because the rain was coming in, so it wasn't getting wet in there. But I'm finally packed up and we're getting out of here. Getting back into town, man. Find a better spot tonight. No wind. I think it's just so windy here because it's so wide open, but glad we were able to pack up. My awning's fucked up. I'll check out the damage later. My tent is messed up. I'll check out the damage later. But luckily we got everything packed up and away and we're all safe and good. So I'll talk to you guys in a little while. I got a little bit of a drive ahead of me. Okay, it is the next day now and it wasn't too bad up here, but still it was too windy. And actually I did sleep in the Jeep last night. So today I just finished packing up everything. Everything's all ready to go and I'm heading out of here. I'm gonna keep heading down towards Colorado, and maybe actually in the next video I might see you guys in Colorado because we're gonna make it pretty close to the border, not all the way. And I'm gonna end this one here today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.